Probably the cutest athleisure shorts for the summer. They're on sale right now. The price is kind of ridiculous. These are a trendy little look for less. So much less. These are a high-waisted, wide leg style. They've got tons of stretch with the waistband. These mesh cargo pockets are absolutely everything. These shorts are actually water resistant. They give you plenty of room at the legs. They keep everything covered all the way around. On days that are hot, that you're going to be outside all day, these are the shorts that you want to wear. Super lightweight. It feels like you're wearing nothing. The waistband's ruched. It creates this like ruffle trim look. It's also stitched in, so if you like to roll your shorts over, they look so good rolled over. Plus, you can't even tell. If you love an athleisure vibe, or if you're looking to switch up the style, you want to grab these shorts while they're on sale. The price is insane right now. I'm gonna link it below.
Yes. 27 ang code. Size medium. Ato meron pa to, oh. Parang yung pabandana ay. Napapanyo. Oh. Tali sa likod, patube yan siya. Ay, tali likod. Patube mima ko. Size is small. Shonte niya may patazel. Small on tag, 139. Code ako 21. Code 21, code 21. 139. 139, 139. Yours, Madam ko, Muse. 139. Muse and Sunny. Thank you. Screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Thank you. Ato. Si Bear. O yan. May pa-strawberry. Kita nyo? May strawberry. Ayan. Ayan. Si Lotso. Lotso. 139. Code ako 22. Code 22. Code 22. 139. Si Lotso. QTC na Bear. 22 ang code. 22 ang code. 139, 139, 139. Yes, ma. Wait lang. Lapit ko sa'yo. Ayan, o. Ayan. Kita ba? Kita ba ang details? Ayan. Si Lotso. Code ako 22, 139. May strawberry. Ayan, 22 ang code 139. Mga sis, pag naka 8 items kayo ng towel, may ayudang isa at pwede din tayo mag-bundle ha. Bundle 1, 2, payment first, 10 pieces. Ayan, magiging 120 each lang yan. Perfect pang pang benta-benta. O, ito small. Size is small. Getsungin mo. $139. Thank you. Screenshot kami na SSD. 12345, 12345. Thanks, Beba. Next. Okay, next. Omi, size XL. XL on tag pa short. O, 3-in-1. Tapos meron siyang cover-up na kimono. Ayan. Gumamela, size XL, 139. Code ako dito ng 16. Code 16, 139, 139. 16 ang code, 16 ang code. 139 pesos, 139. Code 16, mine 16, 139, 139 size XL. 3-in-1. Wala isong. Next. Ato kay Zay na ba? Hindi. Andrea Brillantes. Triangle top. Size is small. Size is small. Soft tie top. Soft tie yung shonte. Pang small bebs ha. Small 139. Code ako dito ng 16. Code 16, 139, 139. 16 ang code, Webs. 139, 139, code 16, Mine 16, mine 16. 139 pesos says 139. Code 16, mine 16, 139. Ayan, ganda niyan. Okay, next tayo. Next thing. Ay, ang ganda ng brown. Pa-halter me, tali likod. Ayan, si brown. Soft tie top, soft tie yung shonti. Pang small. Size small, small on. Ganda ng brown B. Small 139. Code ako dito ng 25. Code 25, code 25. Size small 139. Ganda ng brown B. May pa-body strap. Parang ganito yung atake niya, may pa-body strap. Code 25, 139, 139. 25 ang code, 25 ang code, 139, 139, 139. Code 25. Hala, wala. Ay, bahala kayo dyan. Ang ganda niyan, Mi. Okay, next. Next tayo. Okay, gold. Kay golds. Soft tie top, soft tie yung shonti. Ayan. Pa-halter detalye sa likod. Size large. Large on tag, soft tie top, soft tie yung shonti. Pang large. Large size, large on tag, 139. Code ako dito ng 26. Code 26, code 26. 139 size large. 26 ang code, 26 ang code. 139, 139. Code 26. 139 pesos. 26 ang code, 26 ang code, 139. 139, 139. Code 26. Okay, next. Ami, Spider-Man. Patawel. Si Spidey, 139. Code ako 27. Code 27, code 27, 139, 139. 27 ang code kay Spidey. 139, 139. Code 27, your Sizico. Madam Jajas. 139, 139 kay Spidey. Screenshot, comment SSD. Meron pa, meron pa. Sige, sige. Next. Get ka pa isa. Stitch naman. Nakabakhag si Akla. Stitch 139. Code ng 3. Code 3, code ng 3139. Kay Stitch. Ayan, Fenkaru. 3 years, Madam Jaja. May magbundle ka na lang kaya, bet mo. 1 to payment first. Pero kapag nakamine ka ng